Welcome back, my reading friends, to ABC Learning Adventures. I'm so excited that you are going to be on this fun adventure with me today. We are going to enjoy reading this Little Excavator book. If you do have your copy, go ahead and grab it and let's have fun reading this together. Little Excavator by Dewdney. Here come the big rigs, rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham! Goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble. Crumble, crumble. Fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes, bam! 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 Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. Vroom, goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Vroom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator! Don't get in the way! Romp goes the black hoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now, there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E? Fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end. For little diggers everywhere. That was such a fun book to read. I'm so proud of little excavator being strong and being the one for that job, just like you are, my friends. If you do want to make sure you stay up to date on all of our upcoming reading adventures, just click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. As well, if you do want your own copy to be able to read along with your friends and family, just click that first link down in the description below. And always happy reading. See you next time.